It's all in our hands, this life of time that's given to us all.
Si Vino ang mas maiiyak kasi he's more emotional compared to me.
Today, I felt like you chose me. Kahit nag-aaway kami for the couple days. I felt like you chose me. And I felt like na kahit anong mangyari, pag-awayan natin, pagdaanan natin, or whatever, sa lahat pagsubok, ikaw yung partner ko, best friend ko, support system ko, na nandyan all the time, kahit ayaw mo kong kasama. I love you so much that before I cannot give you a bed of roses. I just can give you one rose. Pero ngayon, I will do everything that I can to give you that garden. Hindi lang sa'yo, pati sa anak natin. And huwag ka mag-alala, sa'yo ako uuwi gabi-gabi.
He's like a basic essential.
Ay, umaga pala.
Hindi ko na siya kayang wala. I mean, I don't know what my life would be. I can't imagine it otherwise na actually. Oh. Kung aaminin ko yung first, kasi very physically, siya the Gen Zs now call it Riz, but he's like full of, makarisma kasi siya eh. So that really was what attracted me to him. Very confident, sure of himself. Then, yun, I think up until now, yun kasi siya, ako non-confrontational ako na tao eh. Siya, confident talaga siya. So for me, and then, he takes care of us talaga, the entire thing.
Parang I am overwhelmed at this moment na sa kasal ng anak ko. Puro ilang taon na hinintay namin na magkakatotoo. Sa ngayon pa lang, we are very overwhelmed and very happy sa nangyayari ngayon sa kanya. Wow, talaga. Knowing Emily kasi, she's a very independent woman since childhood. Parang...
Akala mo hindi ako mag-asawa?
Hindi. As an independent child and woman later on at their pag-college niya, we gave her all the independent mind na makapag-desisyon para sa kanyang sarili. We don't interfere sa kanyang mga sariling desisyon kasi we found out na she's a strong-willed woman.
Strong-willed talaga.
Lady. Malakas ang loob to take the risk. Kaya hindi kami, kampante kami sa kanyang mga desisyon. So Emily, congratulations! Wow! We are very happy with you. We are very happy for you. The Bedina family are so happy. Wow!
Ano message gusto mo?
Message ba? Massage?
Ano ba? Spelling ba?
Sayang yung take.
Oo nga. Ayun. Well, wala naman ako sa buhay mo yan eh. Pero ang akin lang, siyempre, mag-aasawa ka, mamahalin mo asawa mo, mamahalin mo pamilya mo, and you provide for them. Yun.
Parang given na yun
Oo nga. Given na nga yun. Well, yun. Ha? Well, parang ano yan eh. El fallo del juez es inapelable.
What does that mean?
Ha? The judge's decision is final.
Very good. Sabi boy.
Sabi.
Okay. We're here, andito na tayo, matutuldo ka na. So, hindi, joke lang. See you, daughter.
From the moment we were set up, I never expected I'd end up with you. Together, we've built this life with our beautiful family, and you stood by every joy and every challenge, and I promise to continue standing by you, no matter what comes our way. So I may falter and being in doubt at times. Sometimes ayaw kitang kasama, sometimes nakakaasar ka. But know that my foundations run very deep. So our son, Vigo, is a testament to the love that we share. And I vow to always be the best partner and parent I can be. So as we support each other in raising to be a good son. Our dogs, as you've seen, they are a part of our family. And I vow to care for them as faithfully as I care for you. So today, I choose you just as I have every day for the past 12 years. And just as I will okay. So just as I will for the rest of my life. Love you so much.
At sa pangalan ng Ama at Anak at ng Espiritu Santo, atin na po papalakpakan ang bagong kasal. Sina Mr. and Mrs. Bino Rocky.
Shooting star in the sky, comes to hope in your eyes. Burn the old me together, finding you as a missing part. Feels like it's a start. And I will stay comfortable.